Okay, so we have a PTO on our automatic transmission. On this particular truck, we have a stationary, which when you're in park, which right now our transmission is in park with the hand parking brake. If you don't have the hand parking brake when you're in stationary, the PTO will not engage. It's just a safety mode that it has when you're on stationary. And then we have the mobile switch. So we're gonna go ahead and try both, and we'll make a video with the truck being in park, and then we'll also show the mobile function on this PTO. So right now it has our hand parking brake, the parking is on, and we'll just put the switch over to the standby, and I just heard the pump kick on. Then we have our up and down. So right there we can just move our cylinder up and down. And then we just bring it down. On this particular system, the unit will keep going down. They do recommend for us to turn off the PTO to the off position when bringing the unit down. It will just make the function of bringing the system down a little bit faster, but just having the pump running. And so we're gonna go ahead and do the mobile one. Hand parking brake off. Go ahead and put the truck into drive, and we're just gonna hit the switch to mobile. And there it is. So, and you can just move the truck slowly, raise up our dam, going up and down. So we'll show that also in the next video, our functions going up and down. So I just wanted to let you guys know on the functions of this particular PTO. It does have both. There are some functions, some PTOs that will not allow you to have the truck moving when the PTO is engaged. So this is why we decided to go with this particular system, because most of the people do use it when the truck is mobile. And here's our remote, and we have our little axis there to package here to put the remote control back in there.